Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video. In this video, I have a parody of Nature Boy. Uh, TKO Capone and his, I guess he called him Drip Goddess, has done a parody of Nature Boy because of yesterday's interview that they had, and it didn't turn out very well. So, anyways, let me show you that. Do you want to see our outfits? This is from the Armani Bouger line. I can make you one of these. Hit me up. See, show them yours. I made this for her. Like, it accentuates the butt area. Now, I thought that was a joke. I thought it was, I didn't think it was a joke at first. I thought it was for real. And I kind of like, that's from Armani? Ooh, that's not too nice. And come find out what they're doing is kind of making fun of carbonation because they were Nature Boys disrespectful. So they felt some kind of way about that. You guys like our hair today? I did these too. How we look today? Are we looking fabulous? Fabulous. We give you flowers. Peace. Peace. Peace, love, joy, harmony, harmony, life.
Thank you.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
I just want to say,
Peace, God.
for those who don't know, I'm TKO Capone, the drip god, and these are my drip angels. I love my weave. Thank you for everybody that came out today. Thank you. Thank you. And this is an important moment for us. This is a very, very, very important moment. I want to thank everybody for coming out here. Don't you know how I I I had a live yesterday. The live was so unique. The live um, the live made me remember something. It made me remember something. It made me say, you know what? I can learn a little bit from everyone. Everyone. And he said something about wiglocks. And I said, you know what? We need to embrace the weave. And we can make weave locks. So these are our weave locks. And I'm TKO Capone, the drip god. And these are my drip angels. I love my weave. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everybody that's coming out tonight. Everybody. And we wanted to thank Nature Boys women for giving me flowers yesterday. So we went to go and pick you personally. Yes, from our ancestors' graves. That's from our ancestors' grave. Peace, love, and harmony. And once again, for the new people, I'm TKO Capone, the drip god, and these are my drip angels. I love my weave. Thank you. Thank you for everybody. Thank you for everybody coming out. Thank you for everybody. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 motherfucking second. Hold on a motherfucking second. Hold on. 1 second here.
Peace, love, happiness, harmony.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
We give you guys flowers today. We were given flowers yesterday. Giving them back.
We appreciate everyone who showed up.
Continue to share.
Yes, indeed. Yes. Yes. So, before we get started, this is a very important time for us. A very important time for us. So, for those who don't know what's going on, we need more shares. We need more shares. We need more views for this. We need more views for this. Don't I look so motherfucking handsome? Handsome than a motherfucker. Thank you. Once again, it's TKO Capone and my drip angels. I love my weave, you know. So nobody should ever leave this live feeling horrible about their weave, about their tracks. It's still beauty because beauty comes from the inside. Okay? So, before we get started, we're at 1.4. We just want to appreciate everybody. Hold up. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. So check this out. I appreciate y'all. Real talk. Y'all making me laugh. This is a serious moment. And did y'all give y'all motherfucking flowers to them? Because we did. Oh, cause they get all right. We just All right. Yeah, you better get the motherfucking flowers. But you know, we just want to appreciate everybody who's seen that lovely live yesterday. Lovely live yesterday between me and Nature Boy. Nature Boy said something about the wig locks and the power you can get from them. So I said, you know what? I think I have an ideal. I think if it's a way to get, because those are some antennas. What about the longer the antenna, the more power? It makes sense. The more knowledge. And I just feel like I'm so motherfucking more enlightened. I'm on a high vibration right now. Can y'all feel the vibration right now? He said the blonde weaves are bad. The blonde weaves. Anybody is not beautiful with blonde weaves. And I said, no, you get it all wrong. You're even more powerful the more lighter your hair is with the weave. I agree. The weave locks. Yes. Okay. Now fuck all this shit. I ain't playing with this fucking shit. We ain't doing none of that motherfucking shit. You got them go upstairs and take all this motherfucking shit out. Fuck that shit. We gonna get this. I don't know what the fuck this. No, we ain't on none of that bullshit. Take y'all ass upstairs. I bet not ever see y'all wearing some shit like that in your motherfucking life. Go upstairs and do what the fuck. Look, she discombobulated with that shit. Yeah, go ahead and take that shit out. That shit is motherfucking crazy. We is not doing that shit. No motherfucking more. Alright, hold on. Get me off my motherfucking shit. Got me fucked up. What the fuck this nigga thought this was? What the fuck? Nigga Zumba. Nigga, what the fuck? You got me fucked up. Hold on, man. My motherfucking hat, nigga. Hey, that's that shit. I'm gonna jump at him. All jokes to the motherfucking side. You know it's all love. I don't got no smoke with my boy, Nature Boy. I just had to make this shit funny. To the motherfucker. Hey, it's all motherfucking love. You already know what the fucking deal it is. It's Capone, the drip guy, with the motherfucking drip angels. They just changing their motherfucking outfits right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I got so much shit to talk to y'all about tonight. You know what I'm saying? Jamaica, what? Already. Now I got on some real serious shit. Y'all know me. I can be serious. I can be all intellectual, or I can be a motherfucking shit today. You know what I'm saying? So don't trip. You know what I'm saying? Don't trip. You know, we just having fun. Right now. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, man. Me and Nature Boy ain't got nothing against each other, nothing like that. You know, it's nothing. It's no bad to what they do. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, just talking about what was going on yesterday. You know, I noticed. Look, they really getting ready up there, motherfucker. They was hot. I was hot. I know they was hot. If I was hot, Who's all where? You don't really know. I'm already a motherfucking nut. Just having fun. You know, I'm a fun person, but I'm a person that you can't. No one can get me really out of my character. Not to say that he was trying to get me out of my character or nothing like that. But I'm just saying, like, some people was like, oh, man, you should have did this. Why was you letting him disgrace you and your motherfucking your women like that? You know what I'm saying? And you wasn't saying nothing at first. That they were saying that, and I was just hold on, you know. Could y'all imagine really two grown ass men going back and forth over the motherfucking life like some motherfucking drama queens, and we supposed to be kings? What type of representation would that be? You know what I'm saying? I don't do that with nobody. You know, I don't do that with nobody. I'm not about to sit up here and allow my ego to get in the way because I'm a leader. You know, I got to show that quality. If you know, and this is not particularly towards Nature Boy. I'm saying in general. If a nigga can't hold their emotionalism, can't hold their emotions in front of people, imagine what goes on behind the scenes. You know, so with me, I'm I'm just I used to be just like it. You know, I used to be just like it, and that's why I don't judge because I know that we all got to grow. Who am I to judge another man, another human being? When we all imperfect, I'm not perfect. You know what I'm talking about? But no, I wasn't about to go back and forth um, and be like, egos, dick swinging contests because this ain't the Wendy Williams show. This ain't the Bad Girls Club. You know what I'm saying? Uh, you know, uh, I always say this. You know, real strength, and real discipline. It takes real strength and real discipline to refrain from doing something. To refrain, and people think that you're more stronger by the more that you show emotion. But no, when you don't show emotion, when you stay poised, it means you're more disciplined. You know, when you can check your ego, that means you're
So
more
there you
disciplined.
have it, everyone. Um, they were just poking fun a little bit. Um, of course, they were upset about the comment about the weaves, what Nature Boy was talking about, and I'm hoping that maybe one day some of the his poise will rub off on Eligio because it did. I mean, he was very poised. He did remain poised throughout the entire interview. Not to say anything about Stefan because he was really poised as well. Not as I mean, he was the interviewer. So he's going to say something. He has to say something. But then, of course, Eligio started attacking him verbally, so and attacking his character. So of course he's going to stand up and say something. Eligio wasn't doing that to you know uh, TK Capone. So, anyways, me myself, I wonder what is the deal with him and Nature Boy. Why are what's the click? I mean, what is it about? I mean, it's almost like night and day. So, what's your purpose with Nature Boy? Nature Boy can't offer him anything, not even on a knowledge level, not even, they can't even go back and forth and build basically um, mentally because and spiritually. They couldn't do anything together because Nature Boy is so stuck in his own world until there's nothing there for him to absorb, really. And Eligio, he does not, and with Nature Boy, he doesn't even really practice what he preaches. He just preaching. That's all. He just he studies it and he throws it out there. And he's not really uh, practicing it. So, and you can tell that he's not practicing because, like I said before, he is supposedly some kind of high minded guru, some kind of messiah, and um, some kind of God, but he shows nothing good. There's nothing good about Eligio. I have seen absolutely nothing since I've been following her. I've seen absolutely nothing good about Eligio. The only thing I've seen is he can laugh and joke around a little bit sometimes. And that's it, but is that good? It's good for him, I guess, and good for other people around him, I guess, because it kind of takes a little pressure off of him, just a little bit. But soon as he's not laughing and joking anymore, he's on the attack. So also, I want to show you guys what he said today about hair. Since TKO is talking about hair, let me show you what Eligio said about his hair.
Got that mix, them jeans mixed. You know what I'm saying? So my hair is like really like soft to the touch. It's not like nigga naps. Oh my god. When it's wet, it just fall. So like that's why you see Eliana hair like baby Eliana, cause my hair look nappy on camera, but it's like really soft. It's really like
Negro. uh, you gonna tell black people that when you wet your hair just fall. But guys, if you listen to whoever that was, is that Aya that was talking? She said it curls. Yeah, this Negro is so, oh, he's delusional. He likes to build himself up. That's it. Did he trying to say his hair is like baby Eliana's, and we know baby Eliana's mother. Now she got some curly, pretty hair that if it wasn't curly, it would be straight. Okay, almost. I mean, almost white girl style hair. Almost. If it wasn't curly, it would actually be straight, and she wouldn't have to do too much to her hair. But uh, this boy trying to say he, yeah, you gave your daughter some of your hair too.
curly and soft. It's really curly and soft. So like when you're looking at me, I got a lot of Indian in my blood. Like a lot of like Tiano. What is it called? Tiano Indian. But I don't want that. I wanted my nigga naps. The more I learn about hair, kinky fucking hair, but my
And I'm sorry, Legio. When I look at you, I do not see Indian. I see straight up African. I'm sorry. What went to my mind, and I mean it's a bad um word for black people, but I see blue black Negro. Okay, I don't see Indian.
shit is like really like
Let's
it
stop
is what it is.
that. This man, it's just too much. Um, guys, so he needs to grow up though. This man just don't he's just not comfortable with himself. He really wants to put out the illusion that he's comfortable with himself, but everything he does just says, I'm not comfortable with me. Somebody else come over here, help me. Help me hide, help me be something greater than I am. That's basically what he's saying. But anyways, guys, um the parody, the TKO Capone parody is on Facebook. And here it is, Eligio, Nature Boy, aka the Christ, the Messiah, self-proclaimed. Um, like I say, I haven't seen anything good out of Eligio. In order to be somebody's Messiah and bring in some kind of good word to people, it's just the behavior is it's what is going to be produced when you study whatever the person is teaching. So if your life is not reflecting something good, then how am I supposed to follow what you have to say? You're not showing me anything. Anyways, guys, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Peace and blessings.